Is your child on apps such as TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram? If they are, they may have been using CapCut to create videos. I'm Rachel with smartsocial.com, and we are going to give you a preview of our full resource for VIP members. What is CapCut? CapCut is a free all in one video editor that empowers anyone to create anything, anywhere, regardless of video editing experience or expertise. It offers flexible editing, magical AI tools, team collaboration, and stock assets to make video creation like never before. The app can be used as an online video editor, online photo editor, text to speech converter, add video effects and filters, audio subtitles editor, video background remover, online photo colorizer, color match, low light image enhancer, and image style transfer tool. Why do students want to use CapCut? CapCut's editing tools are specifically catered towards recreating popular and trendy videos on students' TikTok feeds. Students can use CapCut to create projects and presentations, allowing them to develop their creativity and digital literacy skills. In this app, multiple users can edit the same video simultaneously, making it easier for students to work together on projects or assignments and produce high-quality content quickly. CapCut has easy-to-use features that make it accessible and user-friendly for all levels of video editing. To access the full resource, visit smartsocial.com. Our VIP members can log in to access this app and 400 plus more social media safety resources on demand. If you aren't a VIP member yet, ask your school if they are a Smart Social partner to get you access to these resources for free. Parents and educators can join our VIP program to access all of our resources by going to smartsocial.com/VIP. I'm Rachel with smartsocial.com. We hope to see you in our full resource for VIP members.